How to use the knife point. Here's an important tool that you as a wood burner should know. In your Creative Versa tool kit, you will find a razor-sharp knife point, the purpose of which many wood burners do not know why it's included in the package. This knife point is excellent for cutting, but it is also great for removing unwanted burnt marks on your art piece. It is perfect for creating highlights, and that is exactly what I would like to show you in this design that I'm working on. This seagull is a continuation of my previous project. I want to create highlights on my posts, on the ropes, and on the grass by scraping part of the burn to show some three-dimensional effect. The knife point fits right into the cavity of the wood burning pen, but you use it without the heat. In this case, the neck of my pen is still quite hot, so I cannot get a good steady scrape without the support of my other hand. Otherwise, it works best when I can support the neck with my index finger. I'm gently scraping the two posts in straight lines. Then I do the same on the blades of grass. As you can see, I can do it better with my index finger's extra support now that my wood burning pen neck is cool. From this angle, you can see how the knife point created the highlights on the grass, the wood, and the ropes. And that is exactly the effect we're trying to achieve. Now, taking only the sharp knife nib and being very careful, I use the tip to remove some dark areas of the rope, creating some much needed highlight. I feel more comfortable using the knife point this way because I might easily break the tip of the knife point if I held it with a wood burning pen, and I can actually get better effects quicker this way. But do this only if you are very sure you will not hurt yourself. I look over my work to make sure all looks well. I then sign my work. This technique brings the image out to give it a nice three-dimensional effect.